Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring something really cool, the third eye in Islam. It might sound mysterious, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. So in Islam, they don't exactly talk about a third eye like in some other beliefs. Instead, they talk about Basira or Firasah, which is like having a special kind of insight. Imagine being able to understand things deeply, not just with your eyes but with your heart. That's what Basira and Firasah are all about. To develop this inner sight, you can try things like meditation or spending quiet time reflecting on life. It's all about tuning into your inner self and finding answers within. That's why the structure of Islam is based on meditation and get attached the inner peace, one of the reasons why Muslims are very strong inside. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the